kid from the 80s or 90s, and this doesn't make you want to pack up, hit the road, and take a vacation, there's something wrong. Take a look at this 1992 Dodge Ram 250 Chrystar conversion van. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actually only a 3-owner vehicle. Original miles 77,399 is what's on the odometer right now. 318 or 5.2 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's take a look at this front grille, bumper. This vehicle summer use only, otherwise stored when it was not being used indoors, and it shows. Now again, you got to remember that it's a 1992 and there's imperfections in the paint, yes, but overall look at the shine that this has. Look at how good the graphics still look. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. This van's going to come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call 507-386-1726. You can see where we do have some kind of paint missing, which is kind of normal from that late 80s, early 90s, where you start to get a little bit of it flaking off. But overall, condition, crazy on this, considering how many seen just tons of miles put on them, or starting to rust around the wheel wells. Another common place, down below the windows. How many did you see rust out along the bottom of the windows? And I'll get around to the other side and show you that too. Obvious blemish here in this vinyl. Let's look past that a second. Take a look at the seating of this. Of course, the plush bucket seats up front, that center console, overhead console. All the manuals, the service manual, are in the still pictures. You'll be able to check that out. VCR TV, classic. And then look at the condition of the second row bucket seats. Want to do a little camping in it? Absolutely. It has the power folding rear seat that goes into sleeping quarters or a bed. And again, in a few spots where there's some flaked off paint. Look at those lower rockers. It's crazy condition. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And again, this vehicle may be eligible for that 10-year warranty protection plan. Around to the rear. Let's open this back up so you can see it too. I don't have the key on it, I'd run it up and down, but there's the switches right here for sliding it forward, folding it, locking and unlocking doors can all be done back here. And it does work. You can see it in the still pictures. I have it both ways. Dust buster. Remembers those for cleaning up in here. Storage space down below. Just need a cooler and a Coleman stove. Take a look at the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't make it to check this one out yourself. Want somebody to take a look at it and report back to you? Not a problem. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. The polished wheels. Paint has a nice shine to it considering it's a 92. And again, look at the bottoms of these windows where they're always prone to rust. Tell this was stored indoors, well taken care of, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and check this driver's side out. Power windows, power locks over here, of course. Overdrive can be turned on and off. Tilt column. AM FM cassette. Radio works. Let's fire it up. 77,399 actual miles. The top of the dash. Nice condition. Here's that door chime. Oh, now we have the seatbelt chime, of course. So there it is, original miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I said earlier, 3-owner vehicle. And again, look at the condition of the seats, no rips, tears. Slip around and see here, run. Guess what you'd expect. Let me pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. Show you what we can see up there. Not a lot of room to see things underneath here, but we'll take a peek anyway, just to show you how clean and tidy this is. Not full of corrosion. There's a battery disconnect here for when it's stored, not being taken down the road and used. Smooth running. Again, 5.2 liter. Automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. '90s timepiece. 1992 Dodge Ram 250 Chrystar conversion van. Clean Carfax, original miles. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1992 Dodge Ram van. This would be the conversion van, the family road trip van.
Your friend's dad, a dad you've only heard about, and you can even vote for yourself.
The factory radio working well. Believe it or not, this wood grain was not designed for this, but it's perfect for holding a cell phone. Multiple slots, multiple cell phones. I just thought that was really funny. The air conditioning is blowing cold. Our turn signal indicators are working. Temperature is at 1/4 of the gauge. Fuel is just under half. Our speedometer is working. The odometer is reading 77,399 on the dash. Our wipers do not function. Condition van, very nice plush seats, captain's chairs, smooth ride. We've got wood grain in multiple places, even the ceiling. Of course, lighting in the rear on the ceiling. Letting go of the wheel. This van stays right where you put it, nice and straight. Brakes are working well. Let's see how she corners. Handles as you would expect in the corners. Very easy to drive. Great road tripping van. Don't see many in this good a condition anymore. Like I auxiliary switches up above. Take a look at all the pictures of this van and all the details, and give us a call. Everything's on our website at Unique Classic Cars.